Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji's Share Tips. In today's video, we are going to look at the share analysis of Balkrishna Industries. The reason why we are doing the share price analysis right now is recently the share price has gone through a serious correction and probably this is going to be a good entry for anyone who is planning to invest. If you look at the business model, it is manufacturing of tires and tubes, and we also know that this sector has a decent growth potential because it is connected to the automobile sector, and in this case this company is mainly manufacturing the tires for the tractors and agricultural equipment as well. Again, it is the largest Indian company in this sector, and MRF is in second position, and we all know that MRF is one of the largest company in this sector, and Balkrishna Industries is even bigger than MRF in terms of market capitalization. If you look at the market cap, it is 44,678 crores, showing that it is a large cap stock, means company is firmly established in the market. The current market price is at 2311, showing 15% discounted price from its all-time high of 2720, and that price came in this year September. Book value is 338, which is just 14.6% of the share price. Again, if you look at the face value of the stock, it is 2 rupees, which means a stock split is possible in 2 years. Dividend yield is 0.91%, showing that 91 rupees returns per year for every 10,000 rupees invested in this company. If you look at the bonus history, you can see the company has issued 5 bonuses, and the last issue came in 2017 at the ratio 1:1, which means there is a rare possibility of getting a bonuses. If you look at the 12-month returns, it is 44.82%, which is very good. If you look at the 5-year returns, it is 399.10%, and if you look at the maximum returns 15 years, it is more than 1901%. If you look at the inventory turnover, it is 3.20, which is okay. If you look at the pledge percentage, it is 0.00, showing that company hasn't pledged any of its shares. Earnings per share is found as 60.9, which is only 2.63% of the stock price, hence it is considered as moderate figures. ROE 21.1, ROC 23.9, ROA 15.5 shows that these three figures looks very good. Debt to equity is only 0.24, which is very good. Debt to profit is 1.32, which is okay. Promoter holding is 58.30%, shows that promoter has very good confidence in this company. If you look at the contribution of DII and FII, it is 12.56 and 15.42% respectively, means company is attractive for investors. If you look at the stock P, you may feel that it is slightly overvalued. It is 31.3 against an industry average of 15.5. Even in that case, considering the positive growth of this company, investing in this company is not a bad option. Consistent and steadily growing profit in the last 11 years, showing that your money is absolutely safe in this company. The reserves of the company is 5961 crores, which has increased from the previous year figure of 4970, showing that company has sufficient reserves to handle all kind of economic shocks. Cash flow is found positive and debt is consolidating. Not just that, company is allocating more money into the investment activity as well, which means in the future years this is going to get more income for the company. Even after all these things, still the cash flow is looking very positive. CEO and Managing Director of the company is Mr. Arvind Poddar, age 63. He got a bachelor degree in commerce and he is a billionaire number 1444 in Forbes list, and he got 31 year plus experience in the textile or tire sector. Now if you look at the joint Managing Director, Mr. Rajiv Poddar, age approximately 35. He is the son of Arvind Poddar and also the future of this company. Now if you look at his education qualification, you can see he got his graduation from Kingston University in London, and he also has 15 years experience in the Balkrishna Industries company, which means this company is managed and headed by experienced as well as qualified professionals. Also we can see company got its presence in Europe, US and Canada. If you look at its subsidiaries, it has 5 subsidiaries, 1 in domestic, that is in India, and 4 in overseas, as per the annual report, page number 17. Organization is headquartered in Mumbai. If remuneration paid to the directors, that is 8 members, is less than 76 crores, as per the annual report, PDF page 41. That means roughly 6.4% of the profit is taken as director salary, which means it is okay and company is not mismanaged. If you go to annual report PDF page 17, you can see in the title under subsidiary companies, at the end of the year under review, company has 1 domestic and 4 overseas fully owned subsidiary companies. Domestic VOS is known as BKT Tires Limited and overseas VOS are BKT Europe, BKT USA, and BKT Tires Canada, BKT Extreme US Inc. So there are 5 subsidiaries for this company. Now if you go to page number 41 of annual report, you can see salary of all directors of this company. This company has been founded in the year 1987, and we have to understand that they have only 34 years of existence, and even in the 34 years of existence they have become bigger than MRF itself. MRF is incorporated in 1946. They have 75 years of existence, and even in 34 years this company grown even bigger than MRF. Now the company has 6,000 employees. If you look at the recent financial results, Q1 2021 showing a net profit of 391 crores and Q2 2021 showing a net profit of 331 crores. Now if you compare to the previous year same quarter, that is Q2 2020, net profit was 341 crores, which means quarter on quarter there is an increase of 18%. Year on year there is an increase of 14%. And this scenario is looking overall very positive. This year 4 dividends has been issued. Altogether 18 rupees has been distributed, and the last issue of 4 rupees was on 17th of November, that is very recently. No more dividends is expected in this year. Going to the technical part, we can see the 200 exponential moving average is clearly below the price line, showing that the chart is bullish. But if you look at the 48 and 13 exponential moving average, you can see a negative crossover. The 13 exponential moving average is crossing and going downwards. That is a bearish signal. Now if you go to MACD, you can see MACD is showing a negative value as well as it is bearish. Now if you look at Stochastic is looking bearish, but it is deep in the oversold territory. It is already 5.29, that is deep in oversold territory. Now if you look at RSI is also close to the oversold territory. Based on the technical indicators, what I understand is share is clearly heading for a short term correction, and also we can see that the correction is almost done. So the share is expected to rebound from somewhere around this point, which means very sooner there can be a reversal, or it can be consolidation continuation for some more days. The same thing is mentioned here as well. 200 EMA is bullish, 13 and 48 EMA is looking bearish. Current price is okay only for long term perspective. MACD is negative and showing a bearish signal. Hence Q2 financial results came positive. Share is expected to consolidate sooner and restart bullish rally. Stochastic is looking bearish, but deep in the oversold zone. RSI index is near the oversold zone and showing minor hints of trend reversal. Based on the technical indicators, price is clearly going for a short term correction, and sooner it will consolidate and continue bullish rally. So the split comes like this: 35% bullish, 35% bearish, and 30% neutral. Follow buy on dip strategy for long term. Support can be found at 2300, 2200, 1850 and 1650 levels. Any price around or below 2300 will be a fair entry, and opportunities for both long term and medium term. Between 2200 and 2250 will be a much better entry. Minimum and maximum long term portfolio allocation is 1% and 3% respectively, which means you can buy 0 to 1 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Immediate target is not applicable. Medium term target is 2600. Long term target is 3000. If you found our video useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.